I have one of the cleanest 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗃 Series 3s in the country. Yes, I know that's a bold statement, but I'm a big, bold Now, we all like something that's a bit unique and has been passed around like the village bike. Well, that's certainly the case here because this wee tractor is crème de la crème, tout de la fruit. What I'm trying to say is it's the cat's pajamas, and if that doesn't drain your lane, it'll definitely boil your kettle. Now, come on. She's the UK model, so it has the digital dash in full working order, 24-inch front rims with brand new BKTs all round, and she's turboed and straight piped. She's got the power. No? All right. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. So the cab was removed, blasted, and it got all the replacement panels it needed. The inside got a total refurb by Tractor Cab specialists, and it's been painted in Max Meyer 2-pack paint. Now let's check out the inside. Come here. Come here, they hit ya. Now I'm going to talk about how clean it is on the inside. It's very clean. Like literally I could eat my dinner off the floor. I know I keep saying that, and one of these days I will eat my dinner off the floor. But for now we have to finish this ad. And for your peace of mind, it has been serviced very recently. These are new mudguards. It has a clatter of other new parts, but you can check them out on the Lucky Day website because I don't have all day. This is a full weight block that's centrepiece. Now, I found this wee tractor tucked away in a corner of a barn. It could be tucked away in the corner of your barn for only $14.97. It's not on the website for long, so get over and get your tickets bought. Lucky Day competitions, changing lives.